Yeah, it flies better with the
Heavier battery? 32, yeah. Is that what it suggests? 32?
2200s is what.
Really? That's what the manual calls for, 22, huh?
I've been flying it forever. 3300.
You know Doug out here, right?
Yeah.
He swears by going with a heavier battery. I mean, he'll put in like a 5,000 or 6,000 milliamp in one that calls for a 4. And he swears by it. Says it gives it a lot better stability, and wind isn't as big an issue then. I don't have but 1 or 2 batteries that are above 4,000, so I've never put it to the test myself. Well, that's not a small plane. You know, to me, 32 would, that totally makes sense on it. You've got a Spitfire, right?
I do.
And you fly that really well.
Well, I
So-
fly it with the, you know, with the 40. It's a bigger battery.
Right. But how does this one compare to the Spit? They got the same elliptical type wing.
They fly about the same. The Spitfire's a little harder to get in the air for me.
Oh, okay.
I don't take off very smooth with that.
Yeah, this one looks like it didn't have torque roll a lot. If it did, you overcorrected it well because I didn't see it.
Unfortunately, my flaps are disconnected on this because I have one that doesn't operate.
Uh-oh. You need a servo? I got a box of servos. Not with me, but I can get you 2 or 3 next time we're out here. That's always been my take, is if I'm going to replace one, if it's one of my own, it's a matter of convenience to just get it done. But if I don't know the person who's given it to me, I appreciate the offers, but I'm going to put a new one in because the cost of the servo is nothing compared to replacing the airplane. If you got a faulty one or something. That may be the reason why they have theirs in a box, is that might have been the one faulty servo in the plane that contributed to a crash. This I didn't pay attention when it was on the ground. How many blade prop is this?
2.
2 blade, huh? Somebody told me that they've tried theirs on a 4S. I don't remember who it was that said that, but it might have been Jim.
He may have. He flies his very well. It does fly a lot better on 3300.
Yeah, it looks good. With a heavier battery, hopefully that crosswind won't bite you any. Look at you.
A squeaky wheel.
Now where you know where it's at.
Got a bunch of squeaky wheels.
Yeah, you can't. Something about eFlite planes, you and FMS both. You can't get past it. You got to take the wheel off and graphite it. All right, Pete. Good job.